Welcome to the crossroads of Unalesca.
We are finally at the Witch House. Tápame, papi.
Your entrance is an open doorway. It's also your exit back in. That's part of us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello. Anybody's in?
He's so cool too.
The reason why I felt like I wanted it out just so much. And thank you.
The sister on my mind. And I talked a little bit of how Mother Hecate has helped me a lot.
She accepts all. She gives love and never stops. Mother Hecate, here with me always, in all my days, helping me shine with all my glowing rays. Mother Hecate, the truest mother I've ever known. I'm grateful for her after the way I have grown.
This, of course, is right near the cemetery and Proctor Ledge and all the memorial.
I'm Margaret in Greek.
So it's part of Witchery, but where I'm going is finally got here. The Craft Witch Do-It-Yourself Craft Studio. I'm gonna go ahead and start doing, and it's right next to Enchanted and then the Witchery. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Crystal, key, and some selenite, 3 ribbons, and I'm going to use this broom. The good thing is they have an example, that way you could do one. And then I'll begin. So they package everything, my broom, cat, so cute. Robots here.
Robot, or we know it. You got the price?
No.